The Panthera tigris, mostly known as the tiger.
Tigers occupy a variety of habitats, from tropical forests, evergreen forests, woodlands, to grasslands and savannas. They are known to be nocturnal and are ambush predators that rely on the camouflage of their stripes. Tigers use their body weight to knock prey to the ground and kill them with a bite to the neck. They are also very good swimmers and are known to kill their prey while swimming. Tigers are top predators. They control the population of their prey animals by feeding on many animals such as wild deer. For examples, tiger keeps the deer population within some boundaries. If the population of deer would go over these boundaries, there will be a high probability that overgrazing or predation occurs. Although some predators, such as leopards, are not a tiger prey species, tigers will kill them if the prey populations are too low to sustain both predator species. In these ways, tigers can keep other predator species from increasing, just as they can keep the prey species from overpopulating. In the early 1990s, there were around 100,000 tigers. Today, an estimate of only around 30,000 to 450,000 tigers exist in the wild. Less than 2,000 of them are Bengal tigers. About 1,000 of them are Indonesian tigers. Around 450 of them are Siberian tigers, and the same amount of Sumatran tigers, and around 700 of them are Malayan tigers. All other species are extinct. A tiger is considered to be in very high risk of extinction, especially in the wild, with a range of decline much greater than 50% over the last 3 generations. The tiger has a very low reproductive rate. They have about 1 or 2 cubs every 3 years to even a whole lifetime. The primary threats to the survival of Siberian tigers are poaching and habitat loss from intensive logging and development. The Siberian tiger is classified as endangered by the IUCN. The South China tiger is already extinct in the wild. In general, tigers require a good population of this species in order to survive and reproduce. Tigers need to kill about 50 to 60 large prey animals per year. Their diet includes birds, fish, rodents, insects, reptiles, in addition to other mammals, such as primates and porcupines. Tigers can also eat prey much larger than themselves, including large bovids, water buffaloes, and elephants and rhinos. Legal extraction of skin, bones, meat, and tonics is a primary threat to tigers. There are about 1 million square kilometers of unoccupied tiger habitat. This makes it clear that poaching is a greater threat to tigers. Forest land, agriculture, commercial logging, and human settlement are the main drivers of tigers' habitat loss. With their substantial dietary requirements, tigers require a healthy large prey, but the prey species are also under heavy human hunting pressure and competition from domestic livestock. The Tiger Foundation is one of the most recognized non-governmental organizations. It is a 100% volunteer conservation organization which dedicates the preservation of the wild tigers. Even though that organization is not working full-time anymore, its founders continue to work in the conservation of tigers. There are many national parks around the world which help with the conservation of tigers. An example of an idea was the idea of building a new national park in China, which was going to be 60% bigger than the one in Yellowstone. The tiger is a unique animal which plays an important role in the health and diversity of the ecosystem. It is a top predator which is in the top of the food chain and keeps the population of wild animals regulated, which maintains a balance between prey herbivore and the vegetation upon which they feed. Therefore, the presence of tigers in the forest is an indicator of the well-being of the ecosystem. The extinction of this top predator is an indication that its ecosystem is not sufficiently protected. Extinction of the top predator is an indication that its ecosystem is not sufficiently protected. Neither would it exist for long thereafter. In order to improve the status of a tiger, many factors need to change. People need to spread the word. Tell others that the tiger and its habitat are under threat and they need help. Being responsible tourists is also important. The wilderness is an experience and it is not to distribute and to pollute. Say no to a tiger trade by refusing to buy tiger parts and items prepared for tiger derivatives.
Save our tigers, save our planet.